technology isn't a solution. Technology is an enabler. But if you start with the technology, you're almost set up for failure. But if you start with the objectives and you can scale something and do a test and learn manually, and I don't mean manually, like literally manually, but leveraging the existing processes you have in place and then bring in technology as a scaling solution, but just bringing in this test and learn mentality. And I had the opportunity to learn this when I was part of a data and analytics group. So truly agile scrum group. One of the teams was an L&D team. There were other components I was leading. And it's very difficult in our world to work in a scrum agile environment if you come from an ADDIE background. And what I learned in that opportunity was how we can hold to our ADDIE principles, right, while being flexible and agile to meet the input and the speed with which things were changing. So you talked about pivoting, et cetera. What I said was it was just staying close to the customer, right? And we sped up our cycles to align to the agile scrum cycles, but we still had to do the same analysis, design, development, implementation. Then we overlaid a whole change management kind of backguard to that. But what I learned in that was the ability to be agile and create teams that could be stood up and stood down quickly for like 3 or 6 month sprints. It was a great opportunity to almost test and learn something that I applied throughout all of my career now.